Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at basic attention token against Bitcoin. Remember, if you like the video, hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing to the channel. Today, Bitcoin is currently still hovering, above 19,000. There were some instances, like we can flip it onto the 4-hour chart, and you can see that there was a moment um, yesterday where we did dip below, but we have recovered right back, and it looks like we're coming back down again. We'll see how this plays out. Um, Looking at the previous time Bitcoin did hit like the previous all-time high, we do see that there were multiple attempts, right? Like it came up and then it came back down below, and then came up and then came back down. And looking at the weekly chart, these retracements don't look as bad, but keep in mind that these drops were 30% on 34% from wick to wick, and from wick to wick here, we're looking at another 33%. So these were substantial corrections on Bitcoin, and be prepared if Bitcoin does a 30% correction, or at the very least drop down to the 20-week moving average, which at this point here would be roughly about a 34% correction. And if that does happen, then alts will suffer heavily both on the US dollar and their Bitcoin valuation. And currently, right now, altcoins are kind of trending downwards. If we flip it to the daily, Ethereum is going down from its recent local high. Chainlink is also one. However, both of which are still above the falling wedge pattern, which is a good thing. But I'm pretty sure if Bitcoin decided to kick the bucket down to 30%, um, be prepared for Ethereum to either re-enter into this falling wedge pattern here, or worse, break through it to the downside. But compared to all of that, basic attention token continues to rally, and this is something very, very interesting. And if you hold basic attention token, congratulations. This these are the days that you've been waiting for a long time. So we see against Bitcoin, basic attention token essentially oscillates um, between certain key levels. This middle level here seems to be a very key level in the last bull market during 2018, where it constantly touched that level and came back down. So these could have been very optimal trading opportunities if you were holding basic attention token at that time. What is most notable is that basic attention token did not reach an all-time high during 2018. It did so in 2019, where it hit when it wicked to about 9,300 sats. To the candle body, we're looking at a 8,200 sats. This is interesting because this move here, this top move here, was during the time when Bitcoin was rallying um, to $14,000. It was this move right here, and at that time, a lot of altcoins didn't really capitalize on that. So if we look at Bitcoin and we figure out, okay, when did it really start? It's April 2019. What was Ethereum doing against Bitcoin? Not a whole hell of a lot. It actually went down. Chainlink would have been another one that it did go up. Uh, No, sorry, it went down, but overall it went up. This macro trend has been all the way up. Uniswap didn't exist at the time, so basic attention token as well as Binance token, which I believe also had a similar move. Yeah, it rallied during that time as well. So the interesting thing is, basic attention token has the capabilities of rallying when majority of alts do not. Now the question becomes: was this a coincidence? Was this like a fluke, or is this something that we can know and trade off of? And if it's the latter, then this could very well be another move to the top, at least to this target being up here. Currently for the week, it's up 22%. And we're on this optimal trading channel where basic attention token has shown us in previous times it would rally to a significant extent at the very least. And this is something to note, because what a lot of people are waiting for, and that's why I think, like XRP was rallying really high. Certain altcoins were also rallying fairly high. Litecoin was another one where everyone's waiting for Bitcoin to break the all-time high, because that's around the time, like we saw in March of 2017, where the altcoins really started going. So people are buying in early because they're aware that this is a thing that probably will happen. Now the question is it going to? Who knows? If it gets rejected, then expect those coins that people were trying to buy in early to go um, down significantly. However, basic attention token could be um, one of those that do not, simply because it has shown us in the past that it's able to rally significantly. If we take a measured move from the candle body, it was able to rally up 160% during a time when altcoins against Bitcoin didn't rally. Now, if you're looking at a USD level, then you'll see that, during that time when Bitcoin was rallying in 2019, um, the US dollar valuation of these altcoins did increase. But it's like what we're seeing right now, when Bitcoin really rallies, it's literally dragging the dollar valuation against these coins up with it. But when you look at their Bitcoin valuation, they've been going down. Basic attention token is one of the few to outpace Bitcoin in a bull run, during its bull run, let's say, because this was uh, the same time as Bitcoin was moving. Usually we see altcoins rally when Bitcoin stops moving and it's currently bullish. That's when altcoins start to move. Basic attention token has proven to us that it's able to uh, rally during Bitcoin's rally as well as outpace it. So um, at this point, it's entirely up to you if you're looking to buy in. This was a pretty good, less risky kind of buy if you did buy near the bottom of this channel here, which I mean, basic attention token did wick down to, and now you're roughly 20% up in profit. At this point, you'd really want to see basic attention token first break this upper trading channel here. That's target numero uno. Second one, you want to see it break past this accumulation zone that basic attention token was in the better part of like little less than a year. And if it does, then I would expect some kind of wick up in this channel here. It's fairly exciting to see, especially for those who've been holding basic attention token. If you bought during the bull run, you've been down, roughly speaking, for the better part of a few years, a couple of years at least. If This could still be, it's more risky now than it was before, especially if Bitcoin decides to kick the bucket. I would expect basic attention token to suffer as well. But this is definitely something that you can be on the lookout for a high volatility coin like basic attention token. We'll be monitoring this uh, in the coming weeks and months, especially when other altcoins start to rally. I also expect basic attention token to also rally as well, because not only is it capable of doing the rally in 2019, it's also capable of doing what other altcoins were doing in 2018 and also rally along with the other altcoins. But that's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.